Good morning, folks. I figured today I'd give you a quick tour of our RV. Really nothing too special. Medicine cabinet, vanity, outside door, the bedroom. That's a dehumidifier over there. Don't mind the backpacks on the bed, I just moved them there for the time being. And over here, here's the bathroom. Shower. Nothing too special. And we have another wardrobe here. More storage on the bottom. This here is our living room. More storage up top. There's our kitchen, sink, counter space, a dining room, and we have more storage up here, TV. Don't mind the dehumidifier, it works great. Thanks again, Larry. And let me shut this bathroom door here. There's a knife rack back there if you could see it. So that's it. That's all there is to it. That's our little house. Hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs down. Let us know why. And please subscribe if you could. And also, if you have any questions about full-time RVing, well, my wife and I have been doing it about 3 months, and we'll answer what we can. So, thanks for watching, folks. Just want to show you that neat little salt and pepper shaker a friend of mine, Ardale, gave me. Kind of cool, huh? And then he also gave me these Mustang pulling an Airstream. Alright, folks. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Have a great day.